Welcome back to Easy Law Online. This is Attorney Chato Olivas. Ang topic natin sa video na ito ay tungkol sa opinion rule under our revised rules on evidence as amended in 2019. Ito ay makikita natin sa sections 51 to 53 of Rule 130. Unahin natin ang tungkol sa opinion rule regarding ordinary witnesses. Pwede bang sabihin ng isang witness na ang tingin niya ang isang tao ay negligent, ang tingin niya na ang driver ay negligent? Okay, the answer is no. Sa isang trial, ang trabaho ng witness is to tell the court kung anong nakita niya, narinig niya, or na-perceive niya. So, dapat na-acquire nila ang knowledge na ito through their 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. Ito ang tinatawag na eyewitness kasi may first-hand experience siya nung na-acquire niya yung information. Pero hindi pwedeng sabihin ng witness, I think the driver was negligent or the defendant looked insane. Under the opinion rule, witnesses must stick to the facts and let the judge decide what those facts mean. Kaya lang may dalawang klaseng witnesses who can give their opinions: the expert and the ordinary witness, but only under certain circumstances. So ano ang general rule? Tingnan natin ang section 51 of Rule 130. Under section 51, the opinion of a witness is not admissible except as indicated in the following sections. So the witness is the provider of the facts. The judge is the one who makes inferences and conclusions based on the evidence. Section 51 is the gatekeeper. It says that inferences and conclusions are the exclusive province of the court. Bakit? Because opinions are often biased or speculative. If we allowed every witness to give their theory of the case, the trial would never end. At saka yung katotohanan ay malulubog sa mga hula-hula ng mga witnesses. Dako naman tayo sa expert witness. Under Section 52 of Rule 130, an expert witness is somebody who has special knowledge, skill, experience, training, or education. And the expert must be known to possess these. The subject must be beyond the common knowledge of a lay person. The weight of the opinion of the expert depends on his or her credentials and the basis of his or her opinion. So, ang first exception is the expert witness. When a case involves DNA, ballistics, or complex accounting, for example, a judge needs help. An expert, someone with specialized training or experience, can give an opinion to help the court understand the evidence. However, the judge is not forced to believe them. The court evaluates the expert's basis. Gumamit ba sila ng reliable method? Meron ba silang tamang lisensya? An expert's opinion is advisory and not mandatory. Dako naman tayo sa ordinary witness. Under Section 53, the opinion of an ordinary witness is allowed if he or she will testify on any of the following: identity of a person, if they know them; handwriting, if they are familiar with it; mental sanity, if they are a close acquaintance; impressions of emotion, behavior, condition, or appearance. The second exception is for the ordinary witness. The law recognizes that some things are shorthand facts. For example, yung sa identity, you can say, that is John, because you know him. Second, sa handwriting, a secretary can say, that is my boss's signature because she's seen it 1,000 times. Third, pagdating sa sanity, a longtime friend can give an opinion on someone's mental health, though he is not a doctor. And fourth, impressions. You can say someone looked drunk, seemed angry, or acted nervous. These are technically opinions, but they are based on everyday perception that we all understand. In summary, an ordinary witness testifies as to facts, plus pwedeng opinions regarding identity, handwriting, sanity, or impressions. An expert witness testifies on opinions on specialized or technical matters, and the judge makes the final conclusion on the whole case. To wrap it up, witnesses give the facts, experts provide the information and basis for complex parts, but at the end of the day, the judge is the only one who decides. Thanks for joining us in this video. Stay tuned for our next video on the character evidence rule. I want to end by sharing my favorite Bible verse: do justice, love kindness, and walk humbly with God. That is from Micah chapter 6, verse 8. God bless you.